In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hover box in Wix. If you've ever wanted to add a dynamic and interactive element to your website, a hover box is a fantastic way to do just that. Follow along as we walk through this process together, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's start by opening the Wix Editor or Studio. If you're not already familiar with the Wix platform, it's one of the most user-friendly website builders available, offering both creative freedom and easy-to-use interfaces. Now, after logging into your Wix account, head over to the Wix Site Editor. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you're planning to add the hover box. This setup perfectly lays the groundwork for building your engaging, user-interactive hover effect. Once you're on the desired page, let's dive into adding a hover box. To do this, you'll first need to find the Add Elements option, which is represented by a plus icon situated on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a plethora of options and tools at your disposal for enhancing your website's design and functionality. Now, within the Add Elements menu, you'll need to navigate to the section labeled Interactive. The hover boxes fall under this category because they are designed to provide that interactive experience for your site visitors. Select this section to view your available options. The next step is to choose the hover box itself. When selecting a hover box, you'll have two primary options. You can either choose from a template that Wix provides or start from a completely blank hover box if you want to personalize every detail. Templates can be a great starting point if you're looking for inspiration or want to save a bit of time, as they come with preset designs that can be easily customized. If you prefer full control over the design elements, however, selecting a blank hover box allows you to tailor every aspect to suit your vision. Once you've made your choice, drag your selected hover box onto your page. It's as simple as clicking and holding the box, then dragging it to the exact spot where you want it placed on your site. You'll see a grid appears, which can help you align the elements perfectly. As you adjust the hover box, consider how it interacts with other elements on your page. You might need to move some things around to make sure everything looks just right and nothing gets obscured when a user hovers over the box. That's it. You now have a hover box on your Wix site, ready to captivate your visitors with its dynamic, interactive flair. Keep in mind that you can always revisit and tweak its appearance or behavior to keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your Wix site.